Everything happens for a reason and every action has consequences. Cause and effect essays teach you how to connect those dots, but most students make them seem like boring timelines. Here's how to make them actually interesting. Stop listing events and start showing relationships. Hello everyone, my name is Shane from the Jenny team, and today we're mastering cause and effect essays. How to show why things happen and what results they give. This essay type sharpens your critical thinking and appears in everything from history to science to social studies. A cause and effect essay explains how one event leads to another. For example, a cause could be industrial pollution, while its effect could be climate change and respiratory diseases. But here's what makes it interesting. You can focus on multiple causes leading to one effect. For example, why are cities overcrowded? Alternatively, you could also focus on one cause leading to multiple effects. For example, how does social media affect mental health? Or you could also focus on a chain reaction. This is how you describe how one decision triggers a series of events. Now, the key here is to show clear connections, not just facts. Now, you can choose from two structures based on your topic. For example, the first one is the block method. This is where you show all causes first and then all effects. For example, here are 3 reasons student debt is rising. Now, here's how that debt impacts graduates. The other method is called the chain method. This is where you show each cause followed immediately by its effect. For example, lack of sleep causes poor focus, which leads to lower grades, which then results in academic probation. The block method works for complex topics with multiple factors, while the chain method is best for showing direct sequences. So you should pick the structure that shows your work the clearest. Now, weak cause and effect essays often feel very choppy. Strong ones tend to flow smoothly with transitions. Here are some phrases that you can use. For causes, you can use phrases such as due to, because of, or stems from. For effects, you can use phrases such as a result, therefore, consequently, or leads to. Here's an example of a bad cause and effect essay. Students skip meals, they can't afford textbooks, they have stress. On the other hand, a good example would be something like, because textbook costs exceed their budgets, students skip meals, consequently experiencing both financial stress and health problems. Transitions create that domino effect feeling that makes your logic crystal clear. Now, don't just claim connections, you have to prove them. You can use data and statistics, expert opinions, and/or real examples to support your points. For data, you can say something like, studies show that 64% of students who work part-time experience sleep deprivation. As for expert opinions, you can say something like, according to Dr. Smith, sleep deprivation directly impacts memory formation. And as for real examples, you can use something like, when Finland implemented free school meals, attendance rates rose by 12%. Every cause and effect needs backing, so it's your responsibility to find some evidence. Now, here are 3 tips for a stronger cause and effect essay. 1. Choose focused topics. For example, how Instagram affects college students is better than how social media affects everyone. 2. Avoid false causation. Just because 2 things happen together doesn't mean one caused the other. And 3. Read your essay aloud. The logic should flow naturally, like you're explaining it to a friend. Understanding cause and effect essays helps you analyze everything. History, science, personal decisions. It's how we learn from the past and predict the future. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Hi, Shane from Jenny here. Thank you for watching the video. Jenny is an all-in-one writing workspace that's designed specifically for students, researchers, and academics. Jenny helps you write with smart suggestions that include citations, manage all of your sources in one place, paraphrase your writing into any tone, and it also offers a smart Jenny chat, which is basically ChatGPT but tailored specifically for academics. You can try it out for free today. Link is in the description box. See you in the next video.